You just gotta walk in like you own something you want. That's great, and you take it. Something you want, not growing. You carry it off, and then you wait till no one's looking, and you take it. Like to explore the rest of the city. I want to see real quick, will I get radiation? Oh yeah. So the mission that he's gonna give, I'm going to do it, but I'm not.
Fresh water today.
Don't be a what, kid? Don't be a what? That's what I thought.
Hey there, purified water. You won't find this out in the Commonwealth.
Hang on a second. Cat, get off. You're gonna lock everyone out of the computer. Stop!
Hey, I'm talking to you over here.
I'm talking to you.
You by yourself out here?
That's right. Been on my own since I was I'm a fully independent man. Got my own place.
Fully independent.
The whole shebang. Now, how about I get you a bottle of water, huh?
Anything I can do to help out?
Ah, the industrious type. Wanna help the water supply? You won't believe young people throw in there. Overloads the filters.
Give me a second, you guys. Still fighting with the... Okay, we're gonna get all the mundane stuff out of the way.
No, we're not doing this.
We're not doing this. Smart kid. There is something wrong with this computer, I swear to God. Every time I log in, it opens up Google Chrome.
We doing business or what?
We're thinking about it.
Depends. What's this worth to you?
Job's 100 caps. But I like you. 125.
I don't like you, kid. I want more.
Come on. My time's worth more than that.
That's right.
We're not doing this.
Yeah, we are. Now, later on, you guys, there won't be so much of this, but I need to get ahead on how much money I've got.
Come on. Time's
I
worth
really
more.
need to get on how much experience I've got. I can give you guys an entertaining game. Because if not, you're going to watch what you watched last night, and that's going to be me dying over and over and over because I just can't do any damage to somebody.
No. We're not doing...
And I'm not going to focus on building settlements much, so... God, I swear to God, stop tearing up the door. No!
Come on. My time's worth more than that.
150.
No, because you've figured out how to unlock and open the front door. I'm not letting you out. No, don't do that. Don't do that. See, you're distracting me.
We're both business people, Shang. Don't insult me.
No. We're...
Kid, don't insult me. But yeah, anyways, I need money. I need lots of money so that I can buy better things to kill people with. I need experience. I need lots of experience so that I can be better at killing people.
We're both business people, Shing. Don't insult me.
No.
That's why I am wearing my business suit, so I get +2 on my charisma, and that's why I am wearing my Russian hat, so that I can get +1 on my intelligence, which gives me more experience.
We're both business people, Shing. Don't insult me.
No.
Plus, if you don't do this, the amount they pay you for the jobs that they have you do, sometimes it's worth it. Like this guy, all you got to do is go in the water, clean out. If you've got armor or you have one of my favorite perks that breathe underwater radiation.
We're both Shing. Insult me.
Then 100 caps is kind of overpay. You know, even more so if you have that perk, because you're not using up a power core in order to do it.
We're both business people, Shing. Don't insult me.
No. We're not doing this.
But some of these people want you to do some stuff that's just no. No, it's not worth 100 caps. Like the guy that I'm gonna probably talk to next.
No. We're not doing.
I got the arm glitch. Oh yeah. I kind of really want to boost the pickpocket perk and drop grenades in people's pockets. But that'll be for after the game's over kind of a thing.
We're both business people, Shing. Don't insult me.
No.
But anyways, the next couple of people that I'm going to talk to and do this with, you got the swatter guy that thinks that baseball was awesome, because he doesn't know what baseball really was. And he wants you to go get some stuff, and you're going to have to fight a bunch of Mirelurks, which are basically like super crabs and super lobsters.
No. We're not.
And it's insane. Then you got the guy that keeps the wall green because it's an Easter egg. And he wants you to go get some paint. That one's not that bad, but it's still not worth 100 caps because you got to kill a bunch of raiders.
Don't insult me.
No. We're not.
And you're walking into an ambush whenever you're doing it too. That's not cool. Then there's the scientist girl.
Don't insult me.
She wants a bloatfly gland.
100 caps for the job. No haggling.
Oh, you want to go back to 100 caps? No. We ain't playing that game.
We're both business people, Shing. Don't insult me.
No.
But if you don't have a bloatfly gland, it can be difficult to get one because it's a random drop. But if you got one, instant easy money. Fast travel to where it's sitting, go pick it up, fast travel back, give it to her, done. But if you don't have one, it's not worth the price, not because of the fact that, you know, you're not getting, or not because of the reason why it's not worth the price with the other two guys. You know, you're not defying death to make 100 caps. It's not worth the price because you're gonna have to fight God knows how many bloatfly, and it's gonna be a while before you run into the one bloatfly that's got the bloatfly gland that you need.
We're both business people, Shing. Don't insult me.
Alright, 200. High as I'll go.
That works for me.
I'm on it.
Just don't drown. I'll never clean your carcass out of there.
Alright, so later on we're going to come back whenever we can breathe underwater and take no radiation. And we are going to clean out the water supply. Now let's talk to the painter guy.
Don't touch the paint.
What? Why?
This is the wall. The great green guardian that keeps bad guys. No one's broken through the wall. Never. Least we can do for her in return is keep her looking pristine. You need a little education. Maybe a bit of community service. What do you say?
What do you need done?
You see this paint I'm using? Only one place left in the whole Commonwealth you can get it. Hardware Town. Store close by to the west. Bring back a can of paint and it'll be 100 caps in your pocket. How does that sound?
Quick save.
Only if you throw in some more money.
A good Samaritan.
I'm not a good Samaritan. I'm not even a citizen. Hell, I'm not even from this time. I don't care. I want money.
Only if you throw in some more money.
A good Samaritan.
Would not risk his life for 100 caps to go get some paint.
Only if you throw in some more money.
A good Samaritan.
Now, if Piper or Valentine were my follower, then I could go through all these and not ask for more money and
Only
make
if
them
you throw in
happy.
some more money.
A good Samaritan.
And if you do go through all these and you don't ask for more money, it will make them very happy very quickly.
Only if you throw in some more money.
Fine. Pay you 125 caps.
God, you're cheap, dude.
I think you can do better than that.
Driving a hard bargain, huh? 150 caps.
Last chance. Make this worth my while, or I walk.
A good Samaritan.
Come on, you're only going up by increments of 25. 175 caps ain't shit. Can't even buy a good gun with that.
Last chance. Make this worth my while, or I walk.
A good Samaritan.
Sentry bot. Those things are hard to kill no matter how strong you are.
Make this worth my while, or I walk.
A good Samaritan.
Come on! I hate doing this. I know you guys hate watching this, because I hate doing this.
Last chance. Make this worth my while, or I walk.
A good Samaritan.
Last chance. Make this worth my while, or I walk.
A good Samaritan.
Now, normally I would be doing this with the hat that I have on and a lab coat, which would increase my intelligence by 3, and it wouldn't boost my charisma at all.
Last chance. Make this worth my while, or I walk.
A good Samaritan.
But normally I have no problem spending 30, 45 minutes, even an hour,
Last chance.
doing
Make
this
this worth my while, or I walk.
for a little bit of experience and a little bit of extra money.